20 juicy question to ask your friends. 1. How would you describe me in 3 words? 2. What was the first thing you thought of me when we met? 3. What is the most annoying trait I have? 4. Where do you see me in 5 years? 5. What attracts you to people? 6. What is my favorite food? 7. What job do you think I would be perfect for? 8. Which book do I love most? 9. Do I have a hidden talent no one knows about? 10. Have I ever been cheated by a friend? 11. What do I prefer, tea or coffee? 12. When did I get my first cell phone? 13. What is my favorite food? 14. When is my birthday and how do I usually celebrate? 15. What is my favorite type of music? 16. Did you ever think we'd become best friends? 17. When were you impressed by me? 18. How do I prefer to be comforted when I am sad or upset? 19. What drives me crazy? 20. What is your favorite memory of us? Like and share this video.